Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn that bell on. Thank you so much for watching in advance. Today we are going to make some beetroot and carrot juice, sweeten with our milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and we're going to tip a little bit of wray&nephew in him. Jamaican scenting this one. Nice Jamaican juice. Now for the rum, it is optional, alright? But if you want to add a little bit of rum in it, you can go ahead. So let's go, let's start. So we are blending them up just like this. See that? See it here, everyone. Beetroot and carrot. So you squeeze them like this. Squeeze out your juice. Don't forget to squeeze your juice. Put your hand in your juice and squeeze them out. And remember, when you want a long water juice, we want nice, rich juice. Rich juice we want to drink. Okay? So we're going to squeeze them out like this. Blend up some more carrot and beetroot. And we're going to sweeten it. When we're going to sweeten it, we're going to show you. So okay now, loves. Okay now, everybody. So we juice here, beetroot and we carrot juice. Simple and quick drink recipe this. So now we are going to sweeten.
Mommy, one taste.
Sometime I'll do it in a milk. Sweeten your juice just like this, everybody. See that nice pink look coming on right there in your drink. That's what you want. That's what you want to see. So now, nutmeg. See it here? Nutmeg right here. We want a teaspoon of nutmeg. We want a tablespoon of vanilla. Alright? And we also want, if I even a tablespoon of white rum. wray&nephew white rum. Alright, see it there? Normally I would have blended this right into the blender.
He's a blender.
This is it, everyone. With beetroot and carrot juice with all our spice in him. Alright? All our vanilla and all that goodness. Yeah, man. One Jamaican goodness in this juice. Nice, simple, easy recipe juice, this one. And this is it. This is the end of our juice. Now there you have it. Carrot and beetroot juice. Nice juice this, my people. Tastes good, look good, and everything about this juice is good. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Beetroot and carrot, everyone. Nice strong juice, this well mixed. See it there, everybody? This is beetroot and carrot juice. Okay, this will be up on my YouTube channel.